It's time to build those bigger, leaner, stronger and more athletic shoulders by utilising the most effective machine in the world, your own body weight. And in today's video I'm going to show you one of the most effective body weight only shoulder workouts that will help you gain more muscle and more size and take your physique to the next level. What's up team, Conor Sloan here, specialising in bodyweight training, helping men lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering their own body weight. And today I'm going to show you one of the most effective bodyweight only muscle building shoulder workouts that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no gym and no equipment needed. Now, I want you to perform every exercise here for 3 sets and push to failure. Get as many reps as you can, write down how many reps you get so the next time you go to perform this workout you know what you need to do to beat it. Now if there's any movement you can't perform, simply perform the modified version. With that being said, let's get into the workout. So team, we kick off this bodyweight only shoulder workout with the most difficult variation, and that is the handstand push-up. Now if you cannot perform the handstand push-up just yet, I have 2 more modified versions that you can implement into your routine, so don't worry about it. So for the handstand push-up, it is definitely the most effective mass building shoulder exercise that you can perform utilizing the power of your own body weight. But if you can't get it just yet, don't worry. I want you to try the decline pike push-up. So you place your feet up high on an elevated surface, aim to get the nose right down, touch the ground, and that right there is a fantastic shoulder movement to really help build up that strength and shape off your 3D delts. Now if that movement is too difficult, I want you to start off with your pike push-up on the ground. Hips up high, toes elevated in the air, aim to get the nose right down and touch the ground. So that right there is the first 3 movements. Pick which one will suit your fitness level to kick off your workout. From there, after you perform your 3 sets, I want you to go into these Jack Bunny. Okay, a fantastic movement to really help build up that explosive power within your shoulders. 3 sets to failure, write down how many you get, so the next time you go to perform this workout you know what to do. Exercise number 4, the bodyweight side lateral. A brilliant movement to shape off the side delts to really build that 3D look throughout your shoulders. The next movement is a pike rotation. So as you can see, you're starting in that pike position, lower yourself down to one side, hover across, right back up into the starting position and go the opposite way. A brilliant movement to shape off those 3D delts and build up that flexibility and that strength. From here we move into the push-away push-up. So you're starting up in that high pike position, you drop yourself right down, aim to get the lower portion of the chest to touch the ground and power yourself right back up again. A brilliant movement to really help build up that explosive strength. And finally we finish off the workout with the iron cross push-up. A fantastic movement to really help shape off the rear delts, build up that upper back strength. Okay, so that right there is all the exercises you need to implement into your bigger, stronger shoulder workout. So team, there you have it, one of the most effective bodyweight only shoulder blasting workouts that you can perform anywhere by utilising the most effective machine in the world, your own body weight. And these exercises are based upon my bodyweight only transformation coaching program that will help you take your physique to the next level by mastering your body weight, losing and wanting body fat and building lean, strong, functional and athletic muscle. So if you're interested, be sure to click the link below and apply now. But in the meantime team, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this workout and be sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for checking out the video. For more videos just like this, please be sure to subscribe. If you're interested in working alongside me with my bodyweight transformation coaching program, click the link below. If you're interested to watch another video, click right here. But in the meantime, it's Conor Sloan here, helping you lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering your body weight.